Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the science of beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today we're looking at the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. And if you've been struggling with dry, damaged hair, this might just be the product that brings it back to life. Let's break it down and see how it stacks up in the real world. The L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo is designed to help restore and strengthen damaged hair. This shampoo promises silky, strong, and shiny hair by using a combination of protein and ceramide to rebuild hair fibers. Its formula boasts up to 9% repair concentrate, which targets the 5 most common signs of damaged hair: split ends, weakness, rough texture, dullness, and dryness. Upon first use, I was immediately struck by the fragrance. It's a sophisticated floral, creamy blend with a hint of green juiciness, but not overpowering. It gives a pleasant, clean scent that lingers without being too much. A good start, right? In terms of texture, the shampoo strikes a nice balance. It's not too thick or too runny, which I appreciate because it lathers up quickly without being overly foamy. I applied it to my damp hair and noticed how easy it was to distribute through my strands. After rinsing, my hair felt clean, but not stripped. It had that soft, hydrated feel that's hard to come by with many repair shampoos. As for performance, I tested it out for a week, using it in my daily hair care routine. I paired it with the matching Elvive Total Repair 5 conditioner to get the full experience. The combination made my hair feel noticeably smoother and easier to style without weighing it down, something that can often happen with repair shampoos that tend to leave hair feeling heavy. In terms of repairing damaged hair, this shampoo lives up to its claims. It didn't magically restore my hair to perfect health, but it did improve its overall appearance and feel. The more I used it, the smoother and shinier my hair looked, with a noticeable reduction in split ends and dryness. My hair felt stronger after a few days, but the real magic happened when I used it consistently. It didn't fully transform my hair, but it certainly made it much more manageable. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is enriched with protein and ceramide, which is essential for rebuilding hair and adding strength. The scent is lovely and not overwhelming, and it's a great shampoo for daily use since it doesn't weigh hair down. After a week of use, I found my hair to be smoother, shinier, and healthier looking. It's a good option for anyone dealing with moderate damage from styling or environmental factors. However, on the downside, while it does provide noticeable improvements in texture and shine, it's not a miracle worker for extremely damaged or brittle hair. If you have very dry or chemically treated hair, you might want to use this alongside a deeper conditioning treatment for best results. It's also worth noting that the shampoo does contain sulfates, which can be drying for those with particularly sensitive or dry scalps. When it comes to value for money, L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 shampoo is reasonably priced for its performance. At 28 phthalates, it's a sizable bottle that will last a while, making it a solid investment for anyone looking for an effective repairing shampoo at a mid-range price point. Given the results, I think it's definitely worth the price. Now, if you're comparing it to other repairing shampoos, you'll find options that are higher end, like the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, which is also known for repairing damaged hair. While Olaplex's formula is more luxurious and might offer deeper repairs, it's also significantly more expensive. If you're looking for something affordable that still works, L'Oréal Elvive offers great results at a fraction of the cost. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and easy to use. The flip-top cap is practical, and the bottle design is sleek. However, I do wish the bottle were a bit more eco-friendly. If you're someone who's looking for sustainable beauty products, this might be something to consider. I didn't interact directly with L'Oréal's customer service, but based on their reputation, they tend to handle inquiries well, and their products are widely available, which makes returning or exchanging them fairly easy if needed. Finally, if you're looking for an alternative that's more budget-friendly, you could try the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Shampoo. It has similar repairing ingredients like fruit protein and is much cheaper. Though I find L'Oréal's formula a bit more effective in terms of smoothing and strengthening. So, does this shampoo live up to its promises? It certainly does a good job of improving hair texture, reducing dryness, and adding shine. It's great for those with mild to moderate damage who need something effective and affordable. For anyone with extremely damaged or chemically treated hair, it might not provide enough of a deep repair on its own. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so more beauty lovers can find this video. Your support helps us keep bringing honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this shampoo, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.